Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. So for this assignment, we use array as a data structure and two basic operations, insertion and deletions. So array is used to store collection of variables of the same type that are referred by a common name. And for insertion is used to add an element at given index, and for deletion is used to delete an element at given index.
For this question, we create header file known as ArrayMark.H. Inside of the class mark, we use private. Inside the private, we declare int size of array, location, score, and then float, total mark, mark average, and lastly mark. And then we use public. Inside of the public, this mark here is a constructor, and this mark below it is a destructor. Then we use void key in mark to key in the student mark. And then we use void display to display the student mark, void calculate total, void calculate average, void insert mark, and void delete mark. These two is for insertion and deletion algorithm.
ArrayMark.CPP. In this ArrayMark.CPP, we declare the constructor. The constructor in this function, user need to put the size for the array. For the destructor, we declare delete marks. For the key in all the marks, it depends how the big size of array that user want to key in. If user put the size of array is 3, so the user need to put 3 data that you want to key in. For the calculate function, in this function will calculate all the mark that have been keyed in by user and show it as a total mark. For the calculate average, in this function will calculate mark average. The formula is total mark divided by size array and will display a calculate average. For display function, it will display all mark that has been keyed in and show the total and the average mark. For the insert mark, in this function, the maximum mark that can be added is only 5. If user put more than 5, it will show the message that user only can enter 5 maximum number. If you want to key in, user must enter the value one by one. For delete function, deletion data. If you delete more than the data that have been keyed in, it will show error. Last one of ArrayMark.CPP. If user enter the invalid location, the system will show the message, please re-enter the valid location.
Main.CPP. So in this program, we recall a header for function of declaration. Then we declare marks as M1. So we recall the function of declaration from our header. Then we use do while as our looping. So first we display the program. Then for option 1 we use M1 insert mark. For option 2 delete marks, and option 3 for exit program. Then while option not equal to 3, so if user put other value than 1 to 3, the program will display please enter the number from 1 to 3.
This is the output for the program. The first one is for insertion, and the second one for adding, and the third one for the deletion. For the conclusion in this project, we have learned more details about how the array works and how the function insertion and deletion happen. We also learn how to use setter and getter after put the variable as a private variables. The last one, we have been more understand how the constructor and destructor function in this project. That's all for our group. Thank you.